Hey, what's up, guys? We're working today on this Porsche. Basically what I was talking to you about in the previous episode. So the dent that was caused by the deer, bumper's good. This bent over here, the corner, so I did the body work on this, still sanding. Little dent right here, fixed that. And that's it. So we scuffed the fender. The only thing is gonna get painted, luckily, thank God, is the fender. And we're just gonna paint it. Hopefully everything's okay the rest of the way. You know, scratches are, I don't see, as far as I see it now, with like inspecting it so many times, I don't see anything, but hopefully nothing shows up, because this is like it's been an adventurous car to fix. So that's fixed, computer's on it, hopefully it works, turns on. I still have yet to try it, but I should have plugged it in right now.
Yeah,
we got fresh cuts today, you guys. Look at this. Mr. Big, shaven, clean. So right now we're gonna sand this guy right here. Let's just get this stop. This is a final sand. I'm just doing a little touch up where I can, after that I'm gonna wipe it down, mask it and primer it, because we're trying to beat the heat, you guys. It's supposed to be 96 at 6 p.m. today. It's gonna warm up. They're saying this heat dome, it's a double heat dome now, so we're trying to beat the heat, you know. When in the morning, got our haircuts, you know, just trying to work, you know, before noon, maybe like 1 o'clock, and then the rest of the day just do whatever, random driving, maybe picking up parts, stuff like that. So there's always something to do, you know, heat or no heat. You still have to, when you work for yourself, you gotta grind. So let's get this finished, and then into the primer. Okay, guys, so right now I masked the bumper, masked the fender. I'm gonna wipe it down and it's ready for primer. So basically we're going back to where we started. Fixed it once, hit a freaking deer, that stupid deer, and then fixing it again, same side, same light. I mean, unfortunate, but we'll get this done. We're just gonna spray this fender. Hopefully it's just that. The way I see it is just that. Praise God, you know, everything's good. And we're gonna shoot the primer right now, because we gotta beat the heat. And wash the car and get it. Basically, it's already sanded down. Like I said, it was gray scuffed. We're just gonna rinse the car because of all the dust. Spray the primer and that's it. So you guys, we're gonna go make some primer for that Porsche, but I wanted to show you a quick glimpse. A couple episodes back, I filmed our resurrection of our Honda Prelude. You guys, JDM is power, you know. It's got its own, you know, everybody says, you know, this and that, but JDM is the legit Honda Prelude. This is the old, basically we resurrected it already. If you look here, we already did the framework on it. If you remember, this was the bad support. This was the support that was going on. We welded that on, aligned the fenders. These headlights are kind of crappy, but we're gonna probably either restore them or buy new ones. But these ones OEM, so OEM is the best. You know, they fit properly, stuff like that, but I might just get aftermarket ones. Welded the frame right here. Look on the bottom right there, that rail was bent. We're gonna put new engine mounts. I have those. The squirrel was trying to live in there, and I think it chewed on a wire or something, because we had problems starting it, but it did start. So we're just gonna have to check everything and, you know, double check and triple check. But this car is, you guys, this is a beast. Original parts from another donor car. Everything lines up properly. Look at this. Look at these gaps. Hey. Yes, sir. That's a quick look on this car, you guys. We're gonna film the whole new episode about it. It's all stripped. It's ready for body work. We're gonna do body work. We're gonna paint it original, same red color, and maybe add a little pearl in there, just to mess with it a little. That way we don't have to take, you know, go after the jams and all that, you know, don't have to repaint the whole thing. You know, there's no need to repaint it inside, because the jams are good, but we'll just add a little pearl so it's fine, and the outside just a little spark. but that's gonna be nice, you guys. Okay, we got the primer, you guys. I got the, I think it's a medium reducer or hardener because it's super hot, so you need slow, but I only have medium. So we got the hardener primer mixed right there. That's the consistency you want it. You want it to be dripping, but not too fast. You want it to drip, start leaking, and then drip, 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 drip. That's it. So for this weather, it's perfect because as soon as you spray it on there, it's gonna dry. So we're gonna go spray this Porsche. Let's do one more little spray right here. That's just gonna add on, icing on the cake. We want to put as much primer as possible because if we sand it down and it settles, we don't want the scratches to come up. Now we just put guide coat like slightly. And that's it. Okay guys, it's all finished, all primered. Primered the corner, unmasked, primered the little spot right there. It's ready to go to the booth. Away we go. Anyway, we wanted to wish you guys happy 4th of July. Stay cool, stay hydrated. Don't drink. If you do drink, don't do stupid stuff, but don't drink. Stay good, be good. Have a happy 4th of July, America. Before I hung up on you guys, I wanted to say something.
Subscribe, like, and share. Please be careful in the heat, everybody. Heat is no joke. Kills people. Have a happy 4th of July, and God bless you and your family. Peace.